Hey gals and guys! Welcome back to The Big Sweep, the channel where we transform the ordinary into extraordinary. I'm Kelly, and today we're looking deep into the art of organization with some tips and tricks on how to reorganize your closet like a pro. Before we get into the details, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our helpful tips. Now let's get started. We've all faced that dreaded chaotic closet. Today, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process that will turn your closet into a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. Tip number 1, the decluttering process. Start by taking everything out of your closet. Yup, absolutely everything! Hold each item and ask yourself if it sparks joy. If not, it's time to let it go. If it no longer fits, let it go. If you haven't worn it in several months, let it go. Donate, sell, or toss items that no longer serve you. Trust me, this step is the foundation of a well-organized closet. Once you've decluttered, categorize and group similar items together. Separate your clothes by type: shirts, pants, dresses, and so on. Take it a step further by color-coding each category. This not only makes finding what you need a breeze, but also adds a visually pleasing touch to your closet. Tip number 3. Invest in smart storage solutions. Utilize bins, baskets, and shelves to maximize space. Consider using clear containers so you can easily see what's inside. To add a personalized touch, label each container with its contents. This not only keeps things organized, but also makes your closet look like it's straight out of a design magazine. Hey, don't leave just yet! Stick around to the end for an exciting bonus trick. Believe me, it will be worth your time. Next up, let's talk about hangers. Choose one type of hanger for a uniform look. Velvet hangers are not only space efficient, but also prevent clothes from slipping off. This small change can make a significant impact on the overall aesthetics of your closet, giving it a polished and cohesive appearance. Here's tip number 5, seasonal rotation. Twice a year, go through your closet and switch out seasonal items. Store off-season clothes in vacuum-sealed bags to save space. This not only keeps your wardrobe fresh, but also ensures you're only holding on to what you need for the current season. And here's a bonus hack for you. Use an over-the-door shoe organizers for accessories like belts, scarves, and sunglasses. It's a game changer for maximizing space and keeping your accessories easily accessible. So now we've shown you how to reorganize your closet like a pro with our top 5 tips, tricks, and a bonus hack. Remember, a well-organized closet is the key to a stress-free morning routine. Let us know your favorite tip or share your own closet organization hacks in the comments below. Click here for more bedroom organization tips. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more amazing content. Ring that bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video.